Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from the HubSpot CRM system to Google Sheets. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from HubSpot to other systems. For example, in Google Sheets you can add new lines, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the HubSpot data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next, you need to connect your HubSpot account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the API key. In order to get it, go to the HubSpot personal account. Then go to Settings. Now go to the Integrations section API key. Click Show to see the API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. There are no additional settings for the HubSpot system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the HubSpot data source setup. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose Google Sheets as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Add row. At this stage you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the username and password of your personal Google account. At this stage, be sure to check all the checkboxes for access. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you must specify the file and sheet from which the data will be unloaded. Next you see Google Sheets columns. If the name of the columns is written in the first line, then it will be pulled up in brackets opposite each of them. Now you need to assign variables from HubSpot to the columns. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Google Sheets as new rows with each new contact from HubSpot. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Sheets. After successful submission, go to Google Sheets and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup for receiving Google Sheets data successfully. Now you need to enable auto update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.